Hello, we are today along Highway 74 in El Cariso village, and this is gonna be the Cariso Nature Trail. The parking is right off 74 highway, right next to the firefighter station. You have a very small visitor center, and just know that the parking is free. Even though we are inside the Cleveland National Forest, you don't need to pay for parking over there. The trail is supposed to be fairly easy, fairly quick, but the reason of me wanting to do it is because allegedly there is a mine shaft along the trail that I would like to try. I can hear a lot of roosters and dogs. Very quiet place. Love this place. So let's get started. So the trailhead is gonna be right behind the visitor center. And let's do it. I'm gonna start and we'll see how long it takes. Trail is very well marked so far, very easy to follow. It does go slightly up, but it's actually pretty easy, very wide. Very nice place, not too hot so far. It's early in the morning. If you do come later in the day, do bring some sunscreen. There's not a lot of shade. And we get that country feeling with a lot of rooster and cows. We can hear a lot of farm animals from the Cariso village right next to us, and so far I really like it. A lot of signs along the way explaining the plants, giving the names and all the stuff. Very interesting. Very nice walk so far. Path is very well marked and easy to follow for kids. It's not too tough, so it is a family hike, definitely. And even a lot of bench along the way. It's like the second one I've seen so far, so always good. And beautiful views. It's a nice, easy, early morning walk. And along the trail, a mine shaft. Okay, so for any place where it took me a little while to find the trail. So we're coming this way, the mine shaft. That's federal land, so we cannot go there. And I was looking around, but actually you need to cross the main divide road and the trail is right on the other side. So that's the first time I had to look up a little bit, and it keeps going all the way over there. Super nice so far, beautiful place. Around the end we get to a fork, and this one is gonna take us to a firefighters memorial, so we'll go and check it out. Very easy, very pleasant hike. Again, can be done with kids very easily, so I would absolutely recommend it. You do need to drive quite a bit. It's quite a way inside the Cleveland National Forest, but it's a very easy loop. You can do it in about an hour. Very easy, very beautiful. You have a lot of views, wildlife, plants, so I would absolutely recommend this one. I wasn't able to find much online about that trail, just the very basic generic information, but I couldn't see how it looked, and nothing really specific, which is why I wanted to give it a try myself. And I understand it's more of a family hike, but regardless, I'm glad I came and I checked it, and see how beautiful this is. You can even have a picnic. Making it to the memorial. More places to picnic. Very shady spot, very shady place. It's a beautiful place for a family outing on a weekend. The only thing is we are next to the highway, so it's kind of noisy a little bit, but if you don't mind, it's a beautiful place. Again, free parking, a lot of vegetation, a lot of trees, a lot of stuff. I'm even wondering if this parking lot is free, but so far beautiful walk. And I can even see some bathrooms. So you got all you need. And this is the memorial. And I will be walking back to the trailhead, which is this way. Pretty much following Highway 74. So after the memorial, you do have to make your way through a self-picnic area, not a camping one, it's only a picnic, very nice picnic area. Not many people, which I don't understand why. It's a lot of shade, it is beautiful, it's really nice. But anyway, the trail is not super well marked. You just go to the end of this picnic area and you find that little trail road, and basically the trail keeps going this way, and you'll just take this one, and what we want to do is go back to the start, which is this way. So we should be there very shortly. And there we are right behind the firefighter station. It takes about an hour to do the loop. It doesn't go up a lot. It's very easy, very kids friendly. So it's a very beautiful hike for a family outing on a weekend. I would absolutely recommend it. It's easy going, it's easy to do. You have a bunch of views, wildlife, plants and stuff. And it's in a fairly safe area. Just watch out for rattlesnakes though. But it's a small, easy hike that I would absolutely recommend. I wanted to see the mine shaft. This was my main reason to come and check it out. I did, and I think it's worth the drive. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do stop by, do make that loop when you have a chance, and I'll see you on the next video.